Good day, boys and girls. I'm going to give you a video tutorial on how to find a whole bunch of really good resources and links that should help you during our virtual learning. The first thing that you need to do is to find your classes and join your Google Classroom. So I'm going to show you just how to do that. The first thing you need to do is open up a Google browser page. Then you're going to click in the search engine and you're going to want to type in acisd.org. That's going to lead you to our school website. When you do that, you're going to click on a campus. So right here it says campus, click the drop down, and you're going to click on the middle school because we're middle schoolers. Once you do that, you're going to find the tab that says RFMS staff. These are all the people and teachers that work here at the middle school. So you're going to click on that. And when you do and you scroll down, you're going to see everybody that works at the middle school. So you're going to find me, Miss A. There I am. That's a really old picture. I certainly do need to update that. Click on my picture and it's going to immediately take you to my profile. See? Here's my picture. Here's my position, my email address, and where you can reach me. You're going to see here an icon that says Google Classroom. When you click on that, it's going to just take you straight to our website. So this is my website, Ms. Aguirre, RFMS, grades 6 through 8 life skills. The home page has a whole bunch of cool stuff. It's got our calendar for the year in English and in Spanish. It has a link for you to email me at if you need to contact me, and it'll tell you any upcoming news. Right now, device pickup is from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m., and the first day of school is August 17th. But let me take you up here. This is the home page, but we've got several other tabs that we can go into. If you click the About Me page, it's going to tell you all about Miss A. If you click on the resources page, this is very important. It's going to link you to a whole bunch of resources that you're going to need during our virtual learning. For example, this link will take you straight to IXL. This link will take you straight to Skyward. And this link right here, this is a very important link. This will take you to any Google Classroom that you need to go to. So I'm going to click on that, Google Classroom. And you're going to use your Google email address. And the new email address remember, is not .org anymore, it's .net. So that's what you're going to use. Click on it or sign in. And it's going to take you to Google Classroom. Now, if you've been in Google Classroom before, you may have a whole bunch of classes that you've had previously. For example, if you had Mr. Lynch last year, you might have his Texas History Google Classroom still in your dashboard. But this is how you add a class. You're going to have a whole bunch of new classes this year, including my own. And anytime you add a new class, the process is the same. So let me show you. Watch my arrow, follow my cursor, and all the way to the upper right-hand side, you're going to see a plus sign. You see it says create or join a class. You're going to click on that, and you're going to click join class. It's going to ask you for a class code. You will get an information sheet that will have all of the class codes that you're going to need to join any of your classes that are on your schedule this year. I want to join Miss Blaha's 7th period science class, so I'm going to enter her class code right now. As soon as I do, hit enter. Actually, as soon as you enter the code, you're going to go all the way up here and you're going to see this blue little button that says join. So when you hit join, you're taken straight to 7th period science. Okay? So you're going to do this for every class that you need to join. You're going to go to the plus sign, click on it, click join class, and enter the class code that is connected to that class. Okay? So let's go back to Miss A's website. Another link that you're going to need is the tab here that says Video Links. Here is where you're going to find links to all the videos that coincide with my lessons. They'll also be in my Google Classroom, but if you need another place to find them, and they're not uploaded yet, but it'll be under this tab, Video Links. So this is just another really neat resource that's here for you so you can access the videos and the tutorials that you're going to need for our lessons. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, you can call me in the classroom or you can email me. Good luck to you, boys and girls.